I don't know how to do this. I'm new to this, clearly, but this isn't the first video I've uploaded because I did one in like 2015 or 2016, so mate, I've been on this YouTube thing for ages. We're going to clean our cars today, and I also have a van that I want to install a strip on, but I also have to make the strip, but we don't know if we're going to have time to do that. But first we're going to go to the Wax Pack in Ashford in Kent to buy some car cleaning product. Yeah, I'm with my friend at Orbs Imp. Literally, the only reason I come to Jake's to clean cars is because he's really good. 9 times out of 10, he'll pretty much do mine for me. But the road sucks down to the back of his dad's house. Look at this Stardubs air freshener, available for, no, not anymore, they're sold out. But look, you can't really see now because I've driven over it, but oh my god. I guess we just cleaned our cars. We went to the Wax Pack and it was good. It was a good place. I don't know where to park. Okay. But yeah, we was in there for ages chatting, so good place, mate. Buy car cleaning stuff from there, honestly. I didn't buy anything, but he did, so yeah. Right, we're gonna clean now. Finally, it's literally, it was 10 when we left, it's now 12:09, so we spent a lot of time just talking. But that's okay. And also, I drove all the way here with my boot open, look. I drove with my boot open the whole way. You ready for this? It's got no popper. Oh, it was the worst thing. Just little rattles. I kept trying to pull over, just being like, oh, you know, he'll see me flash, but I couldn't put my hazards on because my front left indicator isn't working, so he wouldn't have seen me. Stupid. Stupid. I also said that you, the main reason I come here is that because you basically end up cleaning my car. The water's coming out of the wrong bit of your jet wash.
It's fine.
That's not supposed to do that.
Percentage wise, more comes out of the gum.
Alright. It's about to be nice. Can I what?
Get the cars wet.
Get the what?
Get them wet.
Oh, sorry, I just said it earlier. It's just like how you clean my car, not I. But no, it's fine. Yeah.
Just get them both wet.
Okay, Dad. I'll do one first. What are you doing now, Jake? What is that?
Just.
Oh yeah.
Like a
From who? Valet Pro?
Plug and grime remover.
You sponsored, are you?
No, the man told me to buy it.
Okay.
The man in Wax Pack. So if it's broken.
If it's broken, oh, if my card gets ruined.
Exactly.
Why are you wearing gloves, Jake? Is that a detailing tip that you'd give to people?
Well, I think it's cold. And it stops the water.
Yeah, same. I'm literally just wearing them for cold. Oh, where can I get one of these sun strips? Do you know?
Stardubs, maybe?
No, they're not for sale, them ones, so I don't know.
Because my jet wash is broken.
Is it shit?
It doesn't foam up as well as it should. But it still is alright. Right.
Jake's neighbour's here, so some awkward silent filming's gonna happen.
Well, you carry on film?
Alright. Oh, that is terrible. Sorry, we're taking up all the space again.
What are you applying to the car, Jake?
Soap.
What soap? Very washing up liquid?
Yeah.
Oh, is that a McGuire? Oh, that's nice. Oh, and that's an auto finesse bucket. Oh yeah. Can you promise yourself? Can you keep yourself to one brand or?
I think it is Maguire's wash as well. I mean, do you want to show the facts that we're sharing buckets?
Why is that bad?
Well,
Why you got a different bucket? You got a dirty bucket?
yeah, I know. Yeah, it's fine.
Probably not. I don't know.
They're not even that dirty. About my paint. Right?
So do I dunk it in there and then I dunk it in there?
You dunk it in there.
In here?
Yeah, and then with this hand, you frothle it up
Oh, it's a
in
bad
there.
girl.
Oh, to get all the dirt off.
What if I get the other dirt?
Bring it out.
What? That I've got to do that every time?
Yes.
Just checking, because
Right.
I'm fine with it.
Each panel.
The roof is big panel now. Oh, almost dunked in the wrong bucket then. What would have happened, eh? Oh. Ew, where's that from?
Right at the bottom of my bumper.
See, mine is not that dirty.
Thank you. Definitely in the video now.
Alright, we've cleaned our cars. We actually... I haven't waxed, or what's the other one? Polish? Did you polish then wax, or wax then polish?
No, you polish them wax.
Polish then wax, but I haven't done that. Mainly because I can't be bothered, and we still have to get the Hoover out, and I still want to get my van down and just clean that. So next time I'll wax. I promise. Next time I'll wax you. I swear. Okay. Do my wheels,
You can do your wheels. I'm gonna clean the inside of mine.
and then we'll clean the inside of mine.
Yeah. And then we'll go and get a van.
Then we'll go get a van. We can both drive the van down here. Well, we can't. You can passenger in it.
And do you want me to do the pedals and you steering?
Yeah, let's do that. What the This is going to take a while.
Just a quick disclaimer, we're fully aware that you're supposed to do this at the start of cleaning, but we totally forgot, so we ended up doing it last. Okay, just sorry.
Make a difference.
We're going to go back home now. I'm going to grab my van because we're going to do the same thing to the van, like just clean it quick, because I just want to, I don't know how to explain it. I want to add a strip down the side. It'd probably be better to explain it when I have the van in front of me. But it might look bad, but I don't know. I had the idea, well, I kind of, yeah, had the idea like yesterday-ish, so I want to do that. And we're going to drive back home now with the van, grab the van, I mean, and then drive it back all the way here, which is about half an hour away. And we have until 4:30 because the sun goes down at 4:30. So anyway, I've got to put my seatbelt on, so goodbye. Alright, we are back at my house because I'm just quickly designing the thing for the van. We're now going to get it cut and then just check it against the side of the van. If it's rubbish, then we'll cry. And if it's good enough, we'll go back to Jake's house to clean the van to then put the sticker on. It's a long process for very, like, no reason at all, but whatever, we're doing it. This is my van. It's a T4 Stardubs. It's a massive work in progress. Get it? Because it's big. Alright. We're going to size this up, boy. Oh shit, turkey. Actually, I just care about this side. Because we're going to have it like that, right? About there. Well, that black bit's going to be up there. What do you reckon? Look at that.
Yeah, do.
And that's definitely long enough, right? Oh, plenty. 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 Oh, God, you're crazy. I don't doubt that there's going to be bubbles and stuff in this at all, but it'll be fine. It'll be fun. See this? Dead. Alright, time for the first start, see if it'll go now. Nah, jokes. Wait, I want to see what it was though. If it wasn't that, what was it? Alright, let's go. This is my T4. I've had it for 6 months-ish, and it was just broken down. But I bought it, it was super cheap, man. Super cheap. So yeah, I have this as a ongoing project that I don't know what I want to do with it, but honestly when it came up I kind of accidentally bought it, to be fair. This was bought when my car was in a body shop. I said to the guy doing the work, just randomly, just like, yeah, I'd love a T4. Typically he knew someone who had one for sale and ended up with it. I will probably do a video on this at some point. I don't know why, there's nothing. It would be the most uninteresting video, but of like ideas and stuff, which will probably never go through, and then that would just be terrible. But I also want to do a video on my bread van, which again is nothing special, but I'm just like showing you the bad bits and the good bits and why I like it so much. But yeah, anyway, we're going to drive to @Orbs_Imp's house, Dad's house, and we're gonna very quickly, just clean the van so it's clean enough for us to put a sticker on. And he really wants to back to black my bumpers. I do as well, but that doesn't matter if we do that when it's dark. It's just we don't want to lose the light before we do the sticker, so we've got to rush back at the speed limit. And yeah, we're here. It's getting dark, so I'm gonna lose the light real quick, and we're trying to like rush. We're just gonna give the van like a once over with a Karcher thingy. And Jake realised that we left all of his car cleaning stuff in his car, which we've left at my house, because there was no point in us driving back here again in 2 cars only to clean this. So we're idiots. And he's gonna make some like snow foam out of stuff. I don't know how that's gonna go, but yeah. So hey, you ready? What did you? What? How did you make it?
What?
What did you put in there?
Just shampoo.
Oh, okay. But yeah, this will be like a super quick clean. It's nothing fancy. The van's like matte anyway, and I do want to eventually get it maybe polished. I don't know what look I'm going for yet. Look at it. She's a beaut. Her name is... Okay, she doesn't have a name. We did fail a little bit, I'm not going to lie. By the time we'd finished cleaning the van, it was like super dark. It was getting dark, so the camera wouldn't have been able to see anyway. And it was really cold, and we didn't have anything to dry the van, and I don't really want to hand dry it because it's not that good. Not that we had anything to do it anyway. So we've decided we're going to do it another time. But I think I still want to film it and stuff, so don't worry. It's not that you're worried. I'm just saying, like, if you were worried, don't worry. But yeah, that's obviously where we're going to end this first vlog thing. There will probably be more. I'll see how this one goes. See if it's any good. And yeah, I guess do I tell people to like buy merch? Because
yeah, plug it. Go on.
Yeah, okay. Stardubs.co.uk. Buy merch. There's a sale now anyway, so I'm not going to give you a special code to get something off because there's a sale. All right, it's great value anyway, even when there's not sales. And it's lucky I'm driving in the dark, because otherwise I would need a Stardust sunstrip right now, so I don't have one. But yeah, alright. I guess I say, yeah, cool. Thanks for watching. Watch more, and I hope to record again soon. And follow me on Instagram if you somehow ended up here from not Instagram. Okay, love you, bye. See you later, bye. Bye.